In this video, I'm just going to show you a few of the technology pieces that software that we're going to be using or programs that we'll be using, just so you have a general feel for how to use some of these, because some of them will have specific kind of procedures and some will be straightforward. So I'm going to start with Google Drive. You probably already know Google Drive or Google Docs pretty well, but for the workshops and sometimes a few other activities, what I'll do is I'll have a template ready for you. So here's a template of the constructivism workshop. And on this first page, I'll basically say, this is how you copy it into your own drive. And then you need to set certain permissions so that other people can comment on it, specifically myself. But sometimes we might have you share it with somebody else in the course so they can provide some feedback as well. So in order to do that, all you need to do is you'll click on the link. So this will take you to the workshop with the template. And then the first thing you need to do is go up to File and down to Make a Copy. And then it's going to say, what do you want to call this and where do you want to put it? So this is where you would put your name. All right, so mine, Chris Andrews, Constructivism Workshop. And then where do I want to put it? I can choose where I want to put it in my drive. So I might have a folder for one of my courses, and that's fine. And then I say select, and I hit OK. Now I think that I'm done. A lot of times that's what happens. Everybody goes, great, I got it in. No, that is step one. Step one is getting it into your drive. Step two is making sure that anyone with the link can comment on it. Now, again, I include instructions here, but what you need to do is you need to come up here and click on Share. So again, that's in the top right corner. Click on Share. And then down here, you need to click where it says Change Link to Indiana University. Yours might say something a little bit different, but it'll say something about change the link. And right now it says anyone in Indiana University can view it. Problem is that not everybody is going to be using their IU Google account. Sometimes they use their other Google account. And so I'm just going to change it to anyone with the link. So again, I just clicked on that and there's different options. So restricted is only people who I share it with. Indiana University is anybody in Indiana University, as long as they have the link can view it. It's not public, but they have to have the link. And then I'm going to choose anyone with the link. Now, I can't stop there either, because that just means they can view it. What we need is, in order for me to be able to make comments on your document, I need you to make sure that it's set to commenter. You don't need to do editor. I don't need to be able to edit your document. I just want to be able to comment on the document. So you're going to change it to commenter. And so now it's ready to go. And what you'll end up doing is you'll actually copy this link, and then you'll turn, when you go into Canvas, to turn in the assignment. Like I can show you as an example in here. So for this workshop, so when you, as a student view, you'll have a submit option, and then it'll give you a place where you can submit a URL. And that's what you'll do, is you'll copy that URL and drop it into Canvas. Again, if you're having problems with this, you can always come back to this video. But that is how you make a copy and make sure that anyone with the link can comment on it inside of Google Drive.